Now we're going to move on to our set up the outgoing video and attaching the outgoing devices. First thing we need to do is instantiate a new video object. And again, the default width is 320, the default height is 240, and it's good for us right now. And then we're going to also attach the camera again, because not only are we attaching the camera to the net stream, which is going to be publishing to our Red5 server, but we want to be able to see our outgoing video in a video object so that we can, see what people are seeing of us. So we will also attach the camera object here. And that should be good for the outgoing video. Now we're going to set up our incoming stream. Again, we have to instantiate a new net stream and pass in our connection. And then we want to play that same stream name that we published on above. And we were publishing on Stephanie, so we're going to call instream.play, passing in Stephanie. And we can move on to our incoming video. Again, default width and height is fine. And for the incoming video, we're not attaching a camera. Instead, we want to attach the net stream that we're publishing and subscribing on. So for here, we're going to attach the net stream in stream. It's just a small difference of whether, for the outgoing video, we're attaching the camera because we want to see what our device has. And for the incoming video, we want to attach the net stream so that we can see what Red5 is sending, what we're sending up to Red5 and then, receiving back down. So now for the video objects. Nope, we already set up the video objects. We need to wrap those objects. So we'll do the outgoing wrapper. Out video wrapper equals new UI component. And then we need to add that outgoing video as a child to this UI component. So we'll say out video. And then last, we want to add the out video wrapper to our display list in our Flex application. So we'll call add element, which is new in Flex 4. And we want to do the same for our incoming. Oops. In video wrapper equals new UI component. In video wrapper dot add child in video, and then we're going to add. Oops, nope, not add child. We're going to add that as an element to the Flex application. Okay. The only other thing I want to point out is, and this comment's wrong, the only other thing I want to point out is that we want to move this incoming video wrapper over a little bit so that we can view it, because it's going to be overlapping the outgoing video. So we'll just say in video wrapper dot move, and we'll move it over 400 pixels. So all of our code is set up, and this should be good enough to see a quick example of how live video works. We're both publishing on the stream name of Stephanie, and we're subscribing on the stream name Stephanie. So, and then we're attaching them to the video objects and the outgoing video, and we're going to be able to view this. So, oops, wrong example. Live video, debug as web application. It's requesting access to the camera. I say allow, and we have video. So that concludes how to build a live video application with both publisher and a subscriber. There's a lot of things you could do with the camera object and the microphone object, and when you start to build more detailed applications, you're going to have to worry about those properties because there's a lot of things you could do, like changing the quality, set the bandwidth, and there's a lot of things you could do with the microphone as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to doing another one soon. Thank you.